Looks like we're going to have downpours all week, and all that rain could put neighbors along the Catawba River at risk. Meteorologist Tony Sadiku is live on Riverside Drive now in northwest Charlotte. And Tony, families there, well, they've seen flooding before, but when it starts to rain like it has, it certainly never gets easier to deal with.
Rounds of rain this week have triggered flash flood watches for much of our area as water levels continue to steadily rise. In the flood-prone South Fork of the Catawba River, water levels could reach minor flood stage by tomorrow.
See, the biggest problem with this rain that's coming in is it's not like a thunderstorm that hits one spot. This is going to hit the entire basin. So you're getting rain up in Lenoir, you're getting rain in Hickory, you're getting rain here. In all these areas, all that water is coming down and funneling through the Catawba River.
To get ahead of the flood threat, Duke Energy says it's working to aggressively move water downstream through its floodgates. This is how it works. Anytime rain falls in the Catawba River Basin, which encompasses more than a dozen counties across North and South Carolina, the water makes its way down the river system through reservoirs like Lake Norman, Mountain Island Lake, and Lake Wylie. But while the releases are meant to protect the integrity of the lakes and the people who live near them, John Wendell with Charlotte-Mecklenburg Stormwater Services says it can be a concern for residents downstream.
This is an area that's flooded in the past and will most likely flood again.